In this video, I'm going to show you how to ask 6 questions in Irish. This is going to be great for starting and maintaining a conversation as Gaeilge. Let's get started. So this is our first question. Bhfuil. Bhfuil means where is. So where is something? Bhfuil na daoine eile. Where are the others? Or where are the other people? Bhfuil na daoine eile. Our next question is this. Bhfuil something agat. Do you have something? As in, do you have it in your possession? Bhfuil mulla agat. Have you a suggestion? Bhfuil mulla agat. Our next question is, bhfaca tú. Did you see? Bhfaca tú. Bhfaca tú é. Did you see it? Bhfaca tú é. Next, chuala tú. Did you hear? Chuala tú an scéala is déanaí. Have you heard the latest news? Chuala tú an scéala is déanaí. Next, an maith leat. Do you like? An maith leat. An maith leat é. Do you like it? An maith leat é. Our next question is Céard faoi. That means what about? Céard faoi. Céard faoi a bhfuil tú ag caint. What are you talking about? Céard faoi a bhfuil tú ag caint. If you would like to support me by Patreon, you can do so by following the links in the description and in the first pinned comment. I want to say a big thank you to all my supporters out there who have contributed to the channel. I really appreciate your help and support. So, gurb míle maith. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and if you found it useful, and I'll see you soon for another video. Slán go fóill.